hear a little roof flying.
It's funny because you don't see none of this type of damage around the house, but everything is so close. The most damage you see around the house is the fucking tree that was knocked down the street. Are you recording?
Mm-hmm. Look at people's cars.
But again, it is Springfield. Those windows could have been like that already. Yeah, papito, it's okay. Calm down, okay? It's okay, baby. It's okay. I know.
Angel. Oh my God! Look at the basketball court. It ain't no court no more. Holy shit! Look at the basketball court right there. Wow.
Angel, papao?
Oh my God.
Wow.
Used to be a basketball court, people. It ain't no more. Are you fucking serious?
Look. The wind threw that board so strong through the door. You see it?
Holy shit, yeah.
That's just evidence right there. How strong the motherfucking wind was to throw that board right through that door. Look at this tree down over here. Oh my God. And all this is so close to the house. Like, what the fuck?
But we didn't get anything.
We got so lucky. I think your mama would have been good if something would have happened to the house. She would have had to pay a lot, not too much more money.
Look, Papi. Oh my God, they got the news out here.
Yeah, Fox 25 News.
That's Boston, right?
Fox 25, yeah. Well, they have Fox out. They have Fox out this way, but I don't know. Fox 25 is.
Hold on, I'm gonna get in the photo.
Wow, what the fuck is this?
She said this fucking person is fucking accurate. Is taking fucking pictures. Wow, look at this shit.
Look at that shit.
Oh, this was on the news earlier, or something like that. I thought when they showed this though, I thought they were showing like pictures of downtown. Oh no, this is. I think this is
Eastern Ave.
This is East Springfield right here.
No, this is Eastern Ave.
No, I'm saying, but
East Springfield is where.
Because when they was talking about it, they were showing this. I remember that headboard being shown on the wall when the roof came off.
What the fuck is Fox 25 doing down here?
Fox 25, they go everywhere. All news stations have like representatives that go to different cities, different states if they need to, just so they can get like good feedback on what's going on over there. Look at this. That house was being worked on. That shit's fucked now. Broken windows. Yeah, that shit's fucked up. Look at it. It's all fucked up.
It's like, forget about going to the basement. What if, you know, I was living in that apartment right here and me and my son is in the bedroom or something.
In the top bedroom. You would know, like, they would give the warning, you know.
Me and my son would have been in the basement, like
there was only 4 people confirmed dead. That's actually pretty good from.
And if Daddy would have been over in Boston, Daddy would have been calling us, couldn't get a hold of us. Nothing, right, baby?
That's actually pretty good. You know, just 4 deaths only. Considering what we've seen while we've been out here driving around today, 4 deaths is pretty good. I mean, it's bad that they died, but 4 deaths only, that's a good thing. They said over 20 injuries, though.
Hey, papi.
Everybody's driving through here taking pictures. Not taking video like us, though. Hey, are you gonna get some bogeys or?
Why?
So we can stop by the store so you can get some bogeys, or I mean, you can go straight home and do it.
Do I need bogeys?
Yeah, you just know. I'm asking you. I'm not.
So much for someone that wants me to quit. I've been doing it good. I haven't smoked.
Wow, you haven't smoked? Bullshit, my asshole. You smoked twice.